Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to manage storage on your iPad. Open your iPad settings. It's the gear icon on your home screen or in your app library. Then tap General Menu. It's the left panel. Tap iPad Storage. It's near the middle of the menu. And find your general usage information at the top of the screen. This is where you'll see an image that represents the data using storage space on your iPad. And view your storage saving recommendations. You may see a recommendation section below the general storage information that gives you ideas for freeing up space, such as turning on iCloud Photos or offloading unused apps. The amount of space you'll save using these recommendations appears next to each one. Scroll down to see Use Storage Space by App. Below the recommendations, you'll see a list of apps on your iPad. The apps are listed in order, starting with the app that takes up the most space to the one taking up the least space. And then tap an app to see what's taking up space. The first section, App Size, tells you the amount of space consumed by the app itself. The Documents and Data section tells you how much space is consumed by data and documents used by the app. Then delete or backup app data you don't need. Depending on the app you're looking, you may see a list of files or options for viewing, backing up, or deleting data from the app. This is common for apps made by Apple such as Find My and Photos. In case of the Find My, you can tap Edit above the list of saved episodes to delete ones you don't need. Just tap the red and white minus sign to delete each episode. Delete or offload unused apps. If you want to delete an app that's using a lot of storage space, tap Delete. But you also have an alternative. Select Offload App. Will temporarily delete the app while keeping the app's data on your iPad. In most cases, the apps aren't what's taking up space. It's usually the data saved by the app. That means offloading apps will usually not free up as much data as deleting the app, which also deletes its data. And the second option is managing iCloud storage. Open your iPad settings and tap your name. Then tap iCloud. This displays information about your iCloud storage. Then find your general storage information at the top of the screen. Scroll down to see which apps and services save data to iCloud. Scroll up and tap Manage Storage. It's near the top of the menu. Then view how much space is consumed by each app and service. This page gives you a more detailed breakdown of the data saved to your iCloud account by app or service. The apps and services are listed in order, beginning with the app or service consuming the most amount of iCloud space. Then tap an app or service to manage its data. When you tap the name of an app, such as iCloud Drive, you'll usually see the option to delete its documents and data, and or the option to disable it. The options you'll see vary by app. Then tap Delete Documents and Data to free up space. If you see an option like this, you can tap to delete its files from iCloud. Only do this if you have an access to the files elsewhere. The third option, managing your iCloud photo library. Fourth option, deleting photos and videos. And the fifth, deleting music, movies, and shows. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.